Understanding Roof Skylight. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, roof skylight. This is a common term in architecture and home design, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. A roof skylight is a window or a glazed structure installed in a roof. Unlike regular windows, skylights are positioned on the top of a building, providing natural light from above. They are especially popular in areas where privacy is a concern or where wall space for windows is limited. There are different types of roof skylights. The most common ones are fixed skylights. These do not open and are solely for letting in light. Vented skylights. These can be opened to allow ventilation. Tubular skylights. These are smaller and funnel light into a space through a reflective tube. Roof skylights offer several benefits. Natural light. They allow more natural light to enter the space, making it brighter and more welcoming. Energy efficiency. They can reduce the need for artificial lighting, saving on energy bills. Aesthetic appeal. Skylights can enhance the architectural design of a building, adding a modern and stylish element. When thinking about installing a skylight, consider the following. Position. The placement on the roof affects how much light enters and at what time of day. Weather. Ensure it's well sealed to prevent leaks during rain. Maintenance. Regular cleaning and maintenance are necessary to keep it functioning well. I hope this video has shed some light on what a roof skylight is and why it might be a great addition to a building. Skylights can transform a space by bringing in natural light and enhancing the building's design. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.